Good day, everyone. In this video, we are going to fix high disk usage or CPU usage in Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. This video not only fix 100% disk or CPU usage, it will also help you increase FPS. It will boost FPS in games. Please make sure you watch the whole video and you will be able to do it. So do a right click in the start icon and then click on Device Manager. Now, once the Device Manager is opened, I'll just maximize it so that we can see. So here we are looking for anything which says system devices. So the second last option is here, system devices. So once you have find it, you need to click on next to it so that it gets expanded. Now here we are looking for anything which says high precision event timer. Now this is the main cause which makes the 100% disk and CPU. So do a right click on that and then click on disable device. And then it will ask you to say yes, so do that. Once this is done, we will move to the next step. And for that, you just need to search power in the search bar. And once you do that, you will find choose power plan, edit power plan. So if you get any option like this, edit or choose power plan, so click on that. I'll select choose power plan, and here you need to select high performance or ultra high performance. If you do not have anything which says high performance or ultra performance, then you can select the balance. You can also try to create a new power plan from here at the left hand side and see if you're getting a high performance option here. If you don't find it, keep it balanced or select it high performance for gaming. Once this is done, you can close this window. And the last and very effective step is to do a right click in the start icon again and then click on Task Manager. And here we need to go to the Startup tab, and I'll maximize it here. Click on this Status tab so that you can see which all applications are enabled and which all applications are disabled. So look very carefully and disable all unwanted applications which you do not require at the startup. So please make sure that you do not disable graphics or sound or any other Wi-Fi thing. Make sure you disable unwanted, unnecessary applications. Now, once this is done, you just need to restart the computer. Please make sure that you restart the computer and see the difference in your computer. And if you see that, please hit the like and subscribe and also leave a comment. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.